Hello, my name is Philip Christ and I'm the pastor at Warrens Grove United Methodist Church in Roxborough, North Carolina, and this is WikiWorship. First off, I want to say thank you to all of you that are watching this video and all of you that have been following the blog for quite some time. We're excited about this new series that we're going to be doing called WikiWorship, and I want to thank you for being a part of that. This video is here to kick off our first WikiWorship event that is going to be coming up this Sunday, July 20th at 11 a.m. at Warrens Grove. If you need directions on how to get to Warrens Grove, you'll see the church's website address at the end of this video, and just go there and you'll see a tab near the top of the page that'll say directions, and you can find the church from there. What we are trying to do with WikiWorship is to create a safe environment, a safe place where people can ask questions, and then have those questions edit the content of the worship services. Now, for the past few months, the WikiWorship team has been gathering together questions, and in those questions we started to find themes. And so this coming Sunday, the theme that we are going to discuss is hypocrisy and grace. So that's hypocrisy and grace. So we have been gathering questions and gotten themes, but that doesn't mean that we stop having the questions. Actually, during the worship service, we're going to allow time, after I say maybe a short 5 or 10 minutes about an answer about about hypocrisy, we're going to allow time for people to actually ask more questions on that same theme, or even disagree with the answer that I give, and allow that in the worship service. That's what makes WikiWorship WikiWorship, is we're going to allow all of you to edit the content of the worship service. This worship service, I said it's going to be on hypocrisy, has one question that's kind of the theme of it. It was asked by a young lady named Ashley Christmas, and here's the question. Why is the church so full of hypocrites? Let me say that again. Why is the church so full of hypocrites? Now, Ashley isn't asking that question for a specific church. She's just asking out of her experience. The churches that she's attended in her past seemed to her to be full of hypocrites. So we're going to discuss that. After the 11 o'clock worship service is done, we're going to invite everyone to stay for lunch. And this is going to be sponsored by the United Methodist Men here of Warrens Grove. So it's going to be a lunch that's free of charge, and we're going to continue that theme down in the lunch. So we will continue the discussion in small groups so that everybody can then have a voice, and that time can be spent, more time can be spent on specific questions. So remember, this Sunday, July 20th at 11 a.m., we will be having our kickoff for the WikiWorship campaign. I would love to have you all there. And remember, the theme is going to be on hypocrisy and grace. And I look forward to a great deal of feedback. If you have any questions, please email me. God bless y'all.